Namaste students. Today we are going to discuss about polygons. So what is polygon? A closed figure made by the line segments is called a polygon. So first of all, let us see that what is the minimum number of sides required to frame a polygon. So if I will draw two line segments, you can see this is not a closed figure, but if I will draw three line segments, it becomes a closed figure. Means the minimum number of sides required to form a polygon are 3. Now, if there are 4 sides, the polygon is called quadrilateral. And if there are 5 sides, the polygon is called pentagon. If there are 6 sides, then the polygon is called hexagon. If there are 7 sides, the same polygon is called heptagon. Then, if there are 8 sides, then the same polygon is called octagon. The 8-sided closed figure is called octagon. If there are 9 sides, then the figure is called nonagon. And if there are 10 sides, then the figure is called decagon. So, these are the names of closed figure, closed polygons made up of sides. Now, first of all, we are going to discuss about the angle sum property of these polygons. So in previous classes you have studied the angle sum property of triangles. That is, the sum of all interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now, from the same property, we are going to verify it for a quadrilateral. Suppose PQRS is a quadrilateral, and if I will join one of its diagonals, you can see that this PQRS is divided into two triangles. One is PQR and another one is PSR. So we know that sum of interior angles of one triangle is 180 degree. So second triangle is also there. So this is also 180 degree. And the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral becomes 180 plus 180, which is equals to 360 degree. Let us verify it for a pentagon. So if A, B, C, D and E is a pentagon, let me take C as a fixed point and join C with the remaining vertices. So it can be joined with E and it can be joined with A only. Now this is converted into 3 triangles, and the sum of interior angles of one triangle is 180 degree, second is also 180 degree, third is also 180 degree, and therefore the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equals to 180 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 540 degree. So sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree, of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and of a pentagon is 540 degree. So the question is, find the sum of interior angles of a hexagon. So we know that hexagon is a 6-sided closed figure. Then if we have to find the sum of interior angles of this hexagon, what we have to do? Let us take C as the fixed point and join it with E, with F, then with A. Now you can see your hexagon is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 triangles. So sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Then here we have 4 triangles. Sum of interior angles of 4 triangles will be equals to 4 multiplied by 180, which is equals to 720 degree. Means the sum of interior angles 4 triangles means 1 hexagon. So sum of interior angles of a hexagon is equals to 720 degree. Now let us derive formula to find out the angle sum property of a polygon. So we know that if the number of sides are 3, then the sum of interior angles is 180 degree and can be written as 1 multiplied by 180 because one triangle is there, so 1 multiplied by 180. And if a quadrilateral is there, so as I told you, there will be 2 triangles, so the sum will be 2 multiplied by 180. If the sides are 5, so as we discussed in the previous question, for a pentagon it will be 3 multiplied by 180 because 3 triangles are there inside. For a hexagon it will be 4 multiplied by 180, and here I have taken one nonagon, so it is having 9 sides, and the sum of interior angles will be equals to, let us see number of triangles inside it. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it will be 7 multiplied by 180. Now let us relate it with the number of sides. Here we have 3 sides, so 3 can be related with 1 as 3 minus 2 multiplied by 180. If there are 4 sides, so 2 can be written as 4 minus 2 into 180. Here 5 sides, it can be written as 5 minus 2 into 180. See the magic? Everywhere number of side minus 2 is there. So here 6 sides, so 6 minus 2 into 180 means if you are given 8 sides, so the sum of interior angles will be 8 minus 2 into 180. If there are 9 sides, if there are 9 sides, it will be 9 minus 2 into 180. Now if there are 10 sides, for 10 sides it will be 10 minus 2 into 180 because everywhere you can see only 2 is subtracted with the number of sides and multiply by 180 is equals to the sum of interior angles of a polygon. So if there are n sides, what will be the formula? In continuation to that, you can observe that it will be n minus 2, number of sides minus 2 multiplied by 180. This is the angle sum property for a polygon. Sum of interior angles is equals to n minus 2 into 180. Now our second question is find the sum of interior angles of a polygon with the following number of sides, and the first part is 12 sides. So we know that if n sides are there, the sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180. So if 12 sides are there, it will be 12 minus 2 multiply by 180, which is equals to 12 minus 2, 10, multiply by 180 equals to 1800 degree. Then if there are 9 sides, then sum of interior angles will be 9 minus 2 into 180, which is equals to 9 minus 2, 7, multiply by 180, which is equals to 1260 degree. Means from the number of sides you have to subtract 2, then multiply the result with 180, you will get the sum of interior angles of a polygon. Question number 3 is find the measure of each angle of a regular octagon. So we know that octagon is a 8-sided closed figure, and regular octagon means all sides of this octagon will be equal. All sides and all angles of this octagon will be equal. Means if all sides and all angles of a regular polygon are equal, then the polygon is called regular. Means the regular triangle is equilateral triangle, the regular quadrilateral is square, then the regular pentagon we have, regular hexagon we have, regular heptagon we have, in same way regular octagon we have. So if all angles are equal, let each angle equals to x. So if each angle is x, sum of all 8 angles, 8 angles are there and all are equals to x, and sum of all 8 angles will be equals to 8x. 8 angles are there, so sum of all 8 angles is equals to 8 times x, that is 8x. And we know that the sum of interior angles of a regular octagon will be 8 minus 2 into 180. So according to question, 8x will be equals to, we know that it is n minus 2 into 180, that is 8 minus 2 into 180. Then x will be equals to, take 8 to the right side, 8 minus 2, 6 into 180 upon 8. So 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 45s are, and 45 3s are 135 degree. Means the measure of each angle of a regular octagon is 135 degree. Next question is, 4 angles of a pentagon are 100 degree, 175 degree, 85 degree and 75 degree. Find fifth angle. So we know that there are 5 angles in a pentagon, and if 4 angles are given 100 degree, then 175 degree, then 85 degree, then 75 degree, we have to find out the fifth angle. So let the fifth angle is x, and solution will be sum of all 5 angles. We know that sum of interior angles of a pentagon is equals to 540 degree. So its angles are x. According to question, the angles are x, then 100 degree, then 175 degree, then 85 degree, then 75 degree will be equals to 540 degree. You have to find out this x from here. Now, sum of these four angles will be equals to 435 degree. And the total is equals to 540 degree. Find x from here. Take 435 to the right side. X will be equals to 540 minus 435, which is equals to 105 degree. This is your required answer. Then the last property we have, sum of exterior angles of a polygon, exterior angle property of a polygon. So how we can find out the sum of exterior angles? Let us take one triangle and one quadrilateral. The interior angles of triangle are x, y and z, and the interior angles of the quadrilateral are a, b, c and d. We have to find out the sum of exterior angles. So we know that here it is framing a linear pair, framing a straight line. So the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So exterior will be 180 minus x, here exterior will be 180 minus y, and here exterior will be 180 minus z. What will be their sum? Sum will be equals to 180 minus x plus 180 minus y plus 180 minus z. You can take 180 plus 180 plus 180, which is equals to 540, minus x minus y minus z. So minus I am taking common, inside will be x plus y plus z. And you know that x, y and z are the interior angles and their sum will be 180 degrees. So it will be 540 minus sum of interior angles, which is 180, and this will be equals to 360 degree. Same for the quadrilateral we have. Let us verify for quadrilateral. See, the exterior angle will be 180 minus a, because interior is a. Same here, they are forming a straight line, they are linear pair, and if interior is a, the sum of interior and exterior will be 180 and the exterior will be 180 minus a. So what will be sum here? 180 minus a plus 180 minus b plus 180 minus c plus 180 minus d. You can say that 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180 is 720, and minus is common here also. Inside will be a plus b plus c plus d, and 720, this is the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral, which is equal to 360 degree. And 720 minus 360 will be 360 degree. So you can see that it is same for a triangle, for a quadrilateral, and it will be same for the remaining polygons also. Means sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always equals to 360 degree. Now let us solve question number 5 of the exercise. Find x from the given figure. And the given figure is a pentagon in which 4 exterior angles are given and fifth one is x. And fifth one is x. So we have to find out this x. Now we know that sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. If the sum of exterior angles is 360 degree, Then our exterior angles are x, then 40, then 65, then 100, then 45 is equals to 360 degree. Then let us add them. 40 plus 65, 105, 105 plus 100, 205 plus 45, 250. So x plus 250 will be equals to 360 degree, and from here x will be equals to 360 minus 250, which is equals to 110 degree. This is your required answer.